trash, whatever. I look down. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Why is there wires coming out? Oh my god. Coming out of the bird. This is a real bird, dude. It's like, look at the front. It's a real bird. Like, his head is off. So it's like, it's like there's guts. Like, but there's wires. Dude, there's fucking wires coming out of its neck. And then that. Like it's decomposing, but the head is off. Oh, I'm tripped out. What? Oh, they say, oh,